So over here you can see that there is a certain fill color applied onto this shape right here. And if you want to go around and then cycle the fill color so that it fills out with random color, then you can go around onto the Gantt chart format tab right here and then go under drawing right here, and over here you can see cycle fill color is an option. If you were to click on this, you can see that the fill color changes out. You can go around and click again and you can see that another color pops up, and click again and another color pops up right here. Let's just go around onto this particular shape right here and select it and click on cycle fill color, and you can see that the fill color changes out accordingly even if it was not there in the first place. You can go around and do the same with the text box as well. You can cycle out the fill color right here just like this, and it'll cycle it through the different colors that there are that can be applied in the fill right here without having to go around onto properties and then edit it out. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And even for this one, you can cycle out the fill color, and that is how it cycles it out and then fills out the color for you for the shapes that you have in Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.